like gonna piss a lot of people off because I really. What do you do? Damn, bro, what's good with you? I know this is gonna piss a lot of you off. You guys don't want me to do this. Like I said in the video before, I really just don't care, and we're gonna do this, and we're gonna show you guys the conversion from a 328 exhaust to a 335. I'm doing this obviously because it's more symmetrical and it looks better. So, can you not show me in the trunk? Ow.
So first step is gonna be is to take your diffuser off.
Yeah, you're gonna need, I think, 4 Phillips screwdrivers and 2.
But didn't wait? You installed it, right? Not BSA.
Yeah, I installed it.
So like it's probably just gonna come off like mad.
What? No wait. What the?
Yeah.
You unscrewed this before.
Nah.
You're lying. Are you?
Yeah, don't get your bumper installed by Shumal.
You unscrewed that. Don't lie. For those of you that have no idea what's going on right now or just haven't been connected with my Instagram and everything that I've been talking about on my latest videos, basically this 330, this is an OEM 335 muffler. Huge shout out to Brian from Keys Motorsports for giving me this. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate it a lot. And also thank you for the 328 diffuser that I was running for a little while. Basically, this is from his M Sport 335. I think this is gonna make the car, what do you think? Like a lot more quiet or just like refined, or just it's gonna be too quiet and I'm gonna want muffler delete?
Quiet.
Decent quiet. That's the only bad thing about all of this, that I'm gonna have now 1 resonator and 1 muffler. The N26 motor has 2 resonators, the N20 has 1 resonator. I already did a resonator delete, so I have 1 resonator left. This whole time I only had 1 resonator in my entire exhaust system. So catless downpipe, 1 resonator, and then that was it, straight pipe, straight out. But now it's gonna be catless downpipe, 1 resonator in this muffler. It might sound too quiet. I don't know how it's gonna sound. I honestly don't really care anymore because ever since I got the E30, the car does not sound that great to me anymore. Hearing the E30, it just sounds so much better. So like, I actually don't really mind this. I'd rather it kind of like quiet down a little and kind of just be there. Like, I feel like a muffler would make it more fine. If anything, worst case, we'll just open this up or do a muffler delete of some kind. But
what's your prediction? You think it's gonna be like too quiet, or?
I think it's gonna be like,
I feel like it's gonna be like,
it's gonna be
refined,
low.
Like it's gonna sound like a nice stock car.
Okay, with downpipe. Okay, I think in low rev ranges, it's gonna be quiet. Only when I get to like 4 or 5K, it'll get loud.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Okay, we'll see. So I really have to open it up to make it sound loud, which is good. Also, if you guys didn't see my other video, my landlord has been complaining about my cold start, so I definitely had to do this. But check this out. This is how it's gonna look. Wait, we're a little.
Can't do this.
Oh, we can't do this? Never mind. We
something
can't see
like
this
that.
Yet. But it'll look something like that.
Yeah.
Should we do this much poke?
Oh my god. No, it's gonna look like that.
Yeah, that's gonna look sick. I'm definitely gonna.
You can pull it out, you know, right?
The tips, right?
Yeah. You just hit it from the back.
Yeah. I think we're gonna do that just so we can clean this up because I want to clean it up before we do the final thing, so it doesn't look too bad. Or I'll just clean it now before we put it in. What do you think? I say clean it now.
No.
Okay. Initially, we wanted to actually do a clamp, and we can't do that now because the clamp I got does not fit this end. I'm gonna have to go back to BMW and return that, but basically Mike is gonna weld this on, so that's gonna be interesting to see. You think you do it?
I don't know.
You don't know. That gives me lots of confidence. You don't know if you can do it. Let's just make my car a freaking gerbil and just test.
I mean, if it has
practice.
exhaust leaks, it's gonna sound louder, so you might want that.
I think this is gonna be
interesting.
This is gonna be interesting. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
Hey guys, we're gonna install 335 muffler. So you gotta take your diffuser out. So to install the 335 muffler, you gotta cut this pipe. This is called the exhaust. This is where you get the horsepowers. Yeah, and then Shumal doesn't like going fast, so he doesn't want horsepower, so we're gonna take it off.
Oh, chill.
You wanna cut it off?
Okay, thanks for interrupting.
So we're just gonna cut it.
Okay, let's hope this goes well.
Yeah, same.
Hopefully it falls on your face and we get millions of views.
It's kind of hot.
Kinda?
Make sure you have your eye and ear protection. Safety first. Nice. Muffler delete.
I guess now since Mike cut this, we can just unhook these rubber hanger things, which you probably saw in the MagnaFlow exhaust install video of the E30. It's literally the same thing. They've been using this stuff for 30 plus years.
So you gotta get yourself a metal stick.
A long dong McSchlonger. a metal stand. So right now we're trying to get this rubber thingy off. It's not easy. Tell them they're real good. And it's about to drop, it's about to drop. Oh. All right, one down, one more to go. So basically we just held the exhaust up, and I had to help Mike so I couldn't really record, but we held it up according to this, and we made some lines with the Sharpie to see where we should cut. We left this a little bit longer than we need so we can trim in case that's too short. So yeah, now Mike's gonna cut it with that again. This is the loud part that the dog hates. Nice.
We're taking off that bracket over there so we can drop this a little lower so we can align it better, because right now it's just holding it up.
Yo, when we take this off, isn't this gonna slam down?
Yeah, so don't.
Okay, I'll let you know when yeah, just put the camera down. Okay, so basically what me and Mike just did, we unscrewed those screws back there so we can lower this. Now basically we got these rubber, we got these rubber things in now on both sides. So now basically the muffler is in right, perfect. As you can see, he left a little bit of extra space for this, so exactly this would happen, so we know exactly how much to cut instead of actually accidentally cutting too short. And now as you can see, all we need to do, nobody saw that. Now all we need to do is basically put the diffuser on really fast, which will be a matter of 2 seconds since the car's up in the lift. And then Mike, you wanna show him? You wanna lift it up a little and see, like, this is what we're gonna have to do. We're just gonna test it a little like this and basically position it just right.
And then mark it again over there.
Right there, yep. And then that should be good. So now we're just gonna put in the diffuser, and then we'll do exactly the finesse it takes to get the muffler tips in right. But damn, I can't wait to see how the final product comes out. So we just finished putting the diffuser on. The diffuser is on, like, just for fitment testing purposes. And then Mike left a mark right here. We're just gonna cut here, and then we should be good. We measured and made sure the positioning of the tips, the height, the poke was just about OEM, or just a little bit less than OEM, a little bit more poke. But now he has it cut out. Now he's gonna cut that, and then it's pretty much time to weld it, and then that's really it. So let's do this. Okay, so we just took the little flap actuator thing and put it onto the new muffler. We're not gonna be plugging this in though. We just put this in there so this isn't rattling around and making a crazy ricey sound. So we got that on now, and now it's just a matter of putting this back into those rubber piece thingies, and then we're gonna align this perfectly, and then that's when Mike is gonna pretty much weld it, and then we can see how quiet it is. Yeah, this is gonna be the first time where we start the car and we're just gonna be like, who thinks it's gonna be quieter? Man, this sucks.
Or what if it sounds like 335? No, it's gonna sound like 340 because you have LCI taillights. He's not trying to become a M3, he's trying to become an LCI 340.
I'm not trying to come with 335, I'm trying to become a 340.
Get it right, guys.
Yeah, if you're gonna like accuse me of like trying to be someone I'm not, at least accuse me of being the somebody who I'm trying to be, which would be a 340.
He admitted.
Alright, so we got everything up, got that bracket back on, and now it's time to weld. You ready?
Let's do this.
Alright, this is like 3 or 4 days later. Mike welded the muffler on, and it is completely on now and good and ready to go. We couldn't finish the video because my battery had died, so I figured why not just, you know, record it when I get time again, and now I have some time. So the muffler, I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds, and then I'll talk. That sounds crazy. Okay, back in the car. It is raining outside, just my luck. I got the car clay barred and waxed yesterday. The paint looks fantastic. I posted it on Instagram. I'm sure a lot of you saw it, but if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me right there because I spoil a lot of shit right there. So go ahead, follow me if you want like an early scoop of what I'm about to do to the car, because I will spoil it on Instagram. But now, I'm not too sure how the car sounded. Inside the car, you can barely tell it's even on anymore. It's so quiet. The muffler is doing its justice, and it's probably even quieter because the car, I think the muffler is made for a certain amount of sound that it comes out of the N55, but since the N20 probably makes less sound because less cylinders, it's probably even quieter than what it would have been. I don't know, that's just speculation, I have no idea, but the car does sound a lot quieter now. It's not that it wasn't dailyable before, it's just less drone now, and it's just like a lot more like refined and cleaner now. So I think I might run this. I don't know, I'm not too happy with how quiet it's gotten, because you guys know me, I went straight, like 100% straight pipe, and I did not care. So I don't know what I'll do. I think I might delete that one resonator that's left, see how that works out, and then we have just completely straight pipe until the muffler, or we might just gut the muffler. I don't really know yet. Tips wise, I think it looks fantastic. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little before and after as well. Well, let me step out so you guys can see it while I'm talking. The tips, I'm still running the OEM tips, so I'm gonna run those for a little while because I do love the way those look. I don't mind them at all. I think they look fantastic. The diffuser fit well. Huge shout out to Brian from Keys Motorsports for hooking me up with this muffler. I really appreciate it, man. Once again, huge shout out to Brian. Huge shout out to Mike. Thank you so much, bro, for helping me cut and weld. Well, you didn't even help me. Thank you for helping me help you to help me to film this video so I could watch you cut and weld, so we can film this, so I can upload this for us. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think down below. If a lot of you are watching and hate what I have done, I will be slapping a 328i badge right back onto the car. So a lot of you that are complaining and moaning about me trying to be a 335, complaining to be a 335, just stop. I'm gonna throw a 328i badge on it. I'm not ranting about this anymore. I'm done with that. But yeah, you guys can see the paint. It looks really clean now. Let me get back inside. It is raining. But let me know what you guys think down below of the exhaust, how you think it sounds, if you think it sounds better. Hopefully I can find a before clip, because I totally forgot to get before revs. So hopefully I can find one. But let me know what you guys think, if it sounds better, if you guys think it looks better, if you guys think I should have stuck with the 328i tips. Let me know. Give me suggestions down below of some nice tips. I might be changing those soon, or I might just run these for a little while. I don't really know yet. I'm trying to play it slow and smooth because I don't want to do any mod that I will regret. Kind of like the mirror caps. I'm not a huge fan of the wings anymore. I'm like totally regretting it. So Brian is sending me some carbon fiber ones, so huge shout out to him once again. I'm gonna just have the OEM style carbon fiber ones, so that'll just be that. I do want to wrap the car in the future as well. I want to do lots of things. A lot of interior mods are coming, I promise. This LCI trim radio piece, I don't know why we haven't done it yet. That'll also happen very soon. But let me know. Let me know. Just all you guys can do at this point is communicate with me. I don't know if I mentioned this already. I'm going to Canada like on Tuesday or Monday. Now I don't know when I'm gonna leave. My aunt is really sick and I really want to go visit her. I took days off of work and stuff, so I really need to go and do that. So this video is being filmed right now, but it's not gonna upload until like Wednesday, and by the time you're watching this, I will be sitting in Canada. So let me know what you guys thought of this video. Let me know if you guys think that I shouldn't have done this like I had already mentioned. Let me know if you guys are planning on doing this to your car, and go ahead and hit me up on Instagram with any questions you guys feel to ask me. Gosh darn, it is so quiet in here now. But anyway, guys, that's enough yapping from me. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.